Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by setting the essentials. Ensure your Chatgpt session supports text-to-image and you're signed in. Once done, pick a clear subject, style, and aspect ratio. These guide composition and output size. Make sure to collect reference cues, colors, lighting, mood, camera lens, or artistic style so the model knows your intent. Now write a first draft prompt. Concise seed sentence plus 3-5 modifiers. Then run that prompt to generate the initial image draft and view results. You now refine outputs by editing prompts and parameters. Start by adding precise modifiers. Describe lighting, focal point, materials, and camera distance to shape detail and depth. Once you see an image, tweak diversity or seed values to reduce randomness or reproduce a favorite variant. Make use of negative prompts to exclude elements you don't want. This prevents common artifacts. Continue iterating. Small changes in phrasing produce big visual differences, so modify one variable at a time and rerun. You finish by choosing the best variant and upscaling it for final delivery. Export as PNG or JPG depending on quality needs. Once done, do a final pass for composition, color balance, and any small edits. If things go wrong, blurry faces or extra limbs, simplify the prompt, raise sampling steps, or change the seed to regain control. As a last resort, clear cache, restart the session, and report reproducible issues with example prompts so you can iterate toward a clean result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.